you've already watched the first lesson, you're ready for lesson number 2. It's very simple. All we're doing is we're adding extra notes in between on the hi-hat. So remember the last lesson we counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to add and notes in between there. So you're going to hear me counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is very important, especially when you're learning and you're starting off on the drums. You literally want to count it out loud, because what will happen is your brain and your muscles will remember over time how to do it automatically. So when you see drummers drumming, they're not necessarily always counting in their head, although maybe some of them are, but most of them are just doing it naturally without even thinking. But at one point in their early stages, they started off counting out loud. So from the last lesson when we learned 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to add it to eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the hi-hat. We're still going to do the same beat. 2 and 4 on the snare drum, 1 and 3 on the bass drum. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm sure you've done great. Slow it down into slow motion if it's still tricky. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same thing. Don't speed it up until you got it down 10 times in a row. Just because you get it once doesn't mean you mastered it. Alright, now that you've watched a few of the drum lessons, here's super secret tip number 1. A lot of drummers have the same problem you have as you're beginning to learn. The sticks fly out of their hands very easily. Well, an easy solution is just to get a pair of sticks that you like, but duct tape the ends of them. Now I like the silver tape, the duct tape the best. It seems to work the best for me. You can use the UL tape, which isn't quite as sticky on the outside, or even something else. Or, one of my favorite drumsticks is the Zildjian dipstick. Now the Zildjian dipstick, it's the exact same thing, but all they've done at the manufacturing process is they've taken the drumstick and they've dipped it into some kind of sticky coating. Those things aren't flying out of your hands. It's an awesome, awesome drumstick I recommend, or you can just go ahead and tape the sticks that are your favorite. Super secret tip number 1, thanks for watching.